Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it's Saturday and it's Self-Care Saturday. Today, let's just talk about the mindfulness cards. And if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, how are you today? So, today is finally Saturday, and I'm really looking forward to my day. And anyway, what I want to get started with is something that we do every week, and that's the mindfulness cards, okay? And then maybe we'll have a little chat afterwards, but I'm trying to make this video a little bit short, and so that way you guys can get on with your weekend, okay? And so, last week we talked about listen to the body. Do you remember this card? I'm going to go ahead and read it to you so that way, in case you don't remember, because I can't remember from week to week, because there's so much going on. So this card actually says, our bodies are full of wisdom. We just need to take the time to listen to them. They often give us early warning signals of how we're doing. Little tension to tell us what. Unless we relax, bigger storms are on their way. Spend a few minutes running your attention through your body from your head to your toes. Forming a strong sense of body awareness will serve you well in life. And you know what? I actually did something a little bit different. Instead of looking for like the pains, but really taking notice of the lack of pain or the lack of discomfort. That's really a weird feeling, because when you feel pain, you are very aware of your body and the area that you have pain, or if you might have tension here or there. But when you have no pain, no tension, you're totally relaxed. And if you really feel your body, it's almost, for me at least, it felt like I was not connected. My spirit wasn't connected to my physical body because I wasn't feeling any discomfort. So what is feeling normal, right? We don't really become aware of our being until we have pains. So really, take the time and you listen to your body, especially when there's no pain. Some people, unfortunately, do suffer from chronic pain, which means they're always going to have pain regardless. And, some people from injuries or some people from just, the age, right? And so you might have some discomfort here and there, but the level of the discomfort is a little bit different. On a good day, maybe, I don't know if you're familiar with the pain scale 0, meaning no pain, to 10, meaning the worst pain ever. Some people sit at a 2 or 3, some unfortunately at a 4 constantly. And when they do have a bad day, it does go up to 8, 9, or 10, right? And so those things are, you can't control some of it. Some people have therapy that helps. Some people may take medication or whatever the, case may be. Try to feel your body when you're at your best and see what you feel. And so that way, how I see it as a nurse is that unless you know what normal feels, you don't know what abnormal feels. So, in order for you to really help yourself, if there is something wrong, you should know what it feels to be normal. And even if it is like you don't know what to do with your feelings because you're just floating out there and it feels so disconnected. But that's the observation I made. So I'd be interested in hearing what you think about that, okay? And so, having said that, please put, any information below, any questions or, anything you want to mention is fine, okay? And so let's pick another card. And this actually came from the Rest and Balance. So let's check from the Curiosity and Joy section, which is the next section over. Let's see. I always have a problem getting my fingers into these things. Okay, so here we go. Step lightly. And this is for next week. And this says, there is so much beauty in the delicate butterfly, snowflakes, the little dandelion, or wildflowers, right? And then, okay, so, now I'm lost. Sorry about that. Okay, it's dandelion seeds that float along in the summer breeze. Spend a few hours intentionally moving through the day with that same delicacy. engaging fully with the reality of the world around you with an attitude that is more like a feather than a brick. Notice how it feels to approach the world with such lightness. Very interesting. So step lightly, right? What I can think of right away is when I watch my cats move. I mean, they step so lightly, you know, it's they move with a precision that's just not human. And so I always find that interesting. So anyhow, let's go ahead and, think about this during the week. So yeah. And anyway, the reason why I wanted to go ahead and make this session short and not do anything totally special is because it is International or National Women's Week. A week? No, it's a month. Women's Month, where it's dedicated to recognize women in the world. And, I'm so glad that there is such things nowadays, because I don't know when that was actually, I need to do research. I don't know when that started, but that's not always been there, right? I don't remember ever celebrating Women's Month when I was in high school or when I was in college. So, whatever it is, I mean, whenever it was invented, it's a good thing, right? And so I just want to recognize all of you women out there and to say, thank you for being who you are. Thank you for being with me. So what I want to do is I want to run a quick giveaway. Okay, this is, buried in this Saturday, and I don't want to make a big deal out of it because those of you who are watching and listening, if you got to this point, well, you get to benefit. And so what I want to do is I want to give away this iconic, it's bright, the lights are reflecting, sorry about that, iconic London palette, and this is in Sunset to Sunrise. And let me read about it, what it says about it, okay? Can you see it? Okay. It says, create endless gorgeous looks with these 20 summer-inspired shades, velvety, soft texture, and selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters to create the perfect looks night or day. So, you remember I told you in the past that when summer and spring starts coming, I will start doing giveaways with these palettes, because you guys are probably wondering, when is she going to give those away? Well, now is the time, because now is the season. And so it comes in a sleeve like this. I just took it out just so I can show it to you. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the protective sheet and show you that it does come with a huge mirror. But I want to go ahead and show you the color story. And, as always, I say, the camera just doesn't capture the vivid colors. This is like sunrise to sunset. Those are the colors that you're going to find in that period of time. In sunrise and sunset, and this is very beautiful. Actually, these colors are extremely similar to my sunset palette and sunrise palette from Natasha Denona. And so, I have no need for these because I have that. And so I want to give it to you, one of you special women out there for, Women's Month. And so, yeah, and you know what? The word that I want you to use in a sentence, not just, plug it in there and just say, I'm enter or entering. Don't do that. Just say like, women is the word. The secret word is women. Use it in a sentence. You can say, I know so many strong women out there, or there are so many strong women in my life, or whatever the case may be. It doesn't matter, whatever, as long as you use the word women. W-O-M-E-N, okay? W-O-M-E-N. So that way, yeah, I want to make sure you use women plural instead of just singular woman. So yeah, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. And, it's Self-Care Saturday, and for me, this is self-care because I love giving back. I love giving back to people, who deserve to be given back to. And I know you guys do. You guys follow me, you comment, you have a conversation with me, dialogue with me, and you're here, day after day after day. And those of you who, definitely are here day after day after day, thank you so much. But thanks to all of my subscribers, because you do have to take the time to subscribe, okay? And also like the video. So that's another thing. In order to win this, you must be subscribed, and I must be able to see you. And also, you must like this video, okay? And so I'm not going to run this one a long time because I have the 500 subscriber one that's running. And so I would like to actually, this time next week, next Saturday, which will be a week from today, I don't have my calendar with me, I'm sorry, will be the winner, will be revealed. Golly, I'm having so much difficulties, you guys. Sorry. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and give back to you guys and say thank you so very much. And I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I know you love me back because I feel it. I feel the love all the time. And I really want to say thanks to my beautiful wildflowers out there that are resilient like the wildflowers. And those of you who do not know why I call you wildflowers, it's because wildflowers are beautiful regardless where they are. They could be on the side of the road next to a freeway. They're resilient, they're strong, they're going to grow year after year after year, regardless of what is thrown at, of rocks thrown at them or whatever it may be. And it's the resilience and the beauty and the wildflowers that I see in people and women. Okay, so that's where I get it from, in case you didn't know. The resilience and ability to come back from the most difficult situations. And that's how I see strong women. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you are not part of our family, please do consider it. We would love to have you. Okay, so regardless of when you're watching this, have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. Have a good week. Like I said, regardless. But remember this one thing. Never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.